I'm a former member of the Royal Canadian Mounted Police. We want to clarify what the new emergency proclamation issued last night means. Under the order, Canadians continue to be allowed to come to Ottawa with their children if they choose to engage in peaceful, lawful protest. The order only restricts people from coming to Ottawa with intention to engage in violence, block critical infrastructure, or to disrupt trade. The Freedom Convoy and our supporters have always denounced violence. We only support peaceful protest. We are here in peaceful, lawful protest, seeking the restoration of our fundamental rights and freedoms. All Canadians should be surprised, no matter your political opinions, that the federal government has resorted to such an extreme and authoritarian measure like the Emergencies Act, and that the government wants to use force against a peaceful demonstration. We call on our fellow Canadians to come to Ottawa to exercise their legal right of assembly and protest. The more Canadians that come to Ottawa will make it harder for the government to get the police to follow their illegal order.
I'm speaking on behalf of veterans that have expressed grave concern for the direction our country seems to be going when you force your citizens to comply with orders that don't make sense. Tell people that you know and people that are in positions of trust and in your political arena that this is wrong, and we're not standing for that. They need to listen to what people have to say, and up to this point, no one has been listening.